This is how your video sounds before sound mastering.
My name is Chris Lang and I'm the founder of Organ Mountain Outfitters. We are located in our store in Las Cruces, New Mexico.
You can barely hear the dialogue as the music and Foley are overpowering it. And this is how it sounds after it.
My name is Chris Lang and I'm the founder of Organ Mountain Outfitters. We are located in our store in Las Cruces, New Mexico.
Notice the difference? The quality is so much better, right? This is what the big time YouTubers do every time before they publish on their socials, and major studios before they release a new film or documentary. So I'm going to show you how to do that for your videos in Davinci Resolve. Let's do this. So in this timeline, I'm done with my edit, B-rolls, Foley, and music, and this video is almost done, but there's one major step we need to finish. So let's just move to the Fairlight page. In the Fairlight page, you have this loudness calculation that is being done by the software, and this actually is the missing component that many people forget to work on before they publish their videos. Now by default, Davinci has this EBU R128 preset enabled. This is usually for broadcasting, but in this case, we want to make this video suitable for social media, which would be, you have this preset called YouTube. So that's what I want to choose. You have a ton of other LUFs as well, but in this case, I'm going to choose YouTube. And I'm going to mute my Foleys and my music. So let's just quickly work on just the dialogue. I'm going to just expand this mix. So I'm going to select this layer and shift select this layer. And I'm going to go into my Fairlight tab and I'm going to open the presets library. And in the equalizer presets, I'm going to choose dialogue male, since the person speaking in this video happens to be male, and I'm going to hit apply. And that makes an equalizer change to both layers where the dialogue is coming from. We're going to do the same with the dynamics. So let's just go over here. We're going to filter by dynamic presets and we're going to choose full expander and hit apply. Then let's just go open our dynamics, and we don't have the limiter enabled by default. So we'll just enable that for both of them. And the reason I've added the limiter is because I don't want the volume of both these channels to be clipping and going beyond that 0 mark. Now there's one last thing I want to do is I'm going to just select both these layers and I'm going to add a value of -2 because I don't want this to be peaking in the end. Now to see how the output looks in the absolute end, let me just unmute all layers and let's just listen to this from the starting.
My name is Chris Lang and I'm the founder of Organ Mountain Outfitters. We are located in our store in Las Cruces, New Mexico. Organ Mountain Outfitters is a lifestyle and outdoor brand that not only promotes the outdoors, but also gives back at the same time to our communities that we live in. And so with every purchase, we donated lunch to local schools, and we donated over 100,000 lunches so far. And that's exactly the difference when you make these changes to your dynamics and your equalizer in the Fairlight tab. So just before you export a fresh video onto your public platform, make sure that you use Davinci's Fairlight tab and make these changes so that the dialogue stands out and is number 1, number 2 is the music, and number 3 is your Foley sounds. Anyways guys, that's it for this video. If it really helped you, then just let me know by hitting that like button and comment below if you learned something and what else you want to learn next. Now, let's do the last few steps to finish with this video and really make the story sell by bringing out the colors in our shots, adding nice text and logo animations, and finishing it off with some cool transitions. So for that, I'll see you in the next video.